Budget phones in 2025 are no joke. Xiaomi A5 is another contender that looks way more premium than its price tag. From a buttery smooth 120Hz display to a surprisingly good 32-megapixel camera, this one packs with all day-to-day essentials. But is it all gold or just glitter? Unboxing this, you'll get the phone in the top and another compartment with the SIM ejector tool, USB cable, the 15-watt charging adapter, and after you read all the instructions, which you will never do, you'll find the TPU case, nothing to complain. Display is covered with a protective cover. So let's start with the looks. This Xiaomi A5 is rocking a gorgeous sandy gold finish that honestly stand out in a sea of matte blacks and glossy blues. It's minimal, sleek, and feels good in hand. It is plastic, but the camera bump and the gold touches let you forget about it. Xiaomi didn't just throw a budget shell on this phone. The sandy gold finish is surprisingly premium looking. And get this, it's basically fingerprint proof. Like really, you won't even know where you have touched it. If you're a kind of person who constantly wipe their phone, well, congratulations. This time, your fingerprints are probably still there, but just can't see them. Thanks Xiaomi. And then, there's that 6.88-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through apps or just watching YouTube feels smoother than expected from a phone at this range. The 1640x720 resolution isn't flagship sharp, but it's bright, colorful, and more than enough for day-to-day use. And for security, we've got a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that's fast, reliable, and doubled as a power button. This is right where your thumb naturally rests, unless you have it in your left hand for no reason. That clean look is matched by a square-shaped camera module that houses a 32-megapixel AI-powered shooter. It's minimalist, no weird bumps or awkward placements, and when you shoot in daylight, this camera can actually deliver sharp Instagram-worthy shots. Under the hood, the A5 runs on a Unisoc T7250 processor with 4GB of RAM. Running Android 14 is clean and snappy. Multitasking is decent, especially with Xiaomi's memory management. Social apps like Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp run smoother. YouTube playback, flawless. Even light gaming like Subway Surfers or Free Fire works with minimum lag. Of course, don't expect it to edit videos or play PUBG on ultra settings. This phone isn't built for that. But for daily life, it handles essentials like a champ. You get 64GB or 128GB storage, but the real bonus, a dedicated micro SD card slot so you can expand it up to 1TB, which has become a standard now. That is huge for users storing photos, music, or just installing ton of apps. No hybrid SIM compromise. I think Xiaomi kept it smart here, and with Android 14 out of the box, it's cleaner, more efficient, and packed with useful features like improved privacy controls and a smarter UI. Battery life, rock solid. The Xiaomi A5 supports 15-watt fast charging, and with this power-efficient chipset and HD Plus display, you can expect it to last full day and then some. A quick 30 minutes charge gets you through most of your afternoon. Xiaomi A5 may not have flagship specs, but it nails the basics. Big immersive screen, solid camera, lightweight, performance, a clean UI, and most importantly, great value for the price. And we have headphone jack if we need to add more into the same price. It's perfect for student, casual users, or anyone who just wanted a reliable backup phone that doesn't look or feel cheap. And let's be honest, in sandy gold, it's kinda flex. What do you think of Xiaomi A5? Would you pick this as your daily driver? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read them all. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe for more real-world tech content. This is TechWired, giving you the honest hands-on tech. I'll see you in the next one.